Mother. I just want to say happy birthday to you, and thank you for raising me up and understand us even though we are not good child to you. And always take care of yourself and always think that we are here to support you. Then, huwag mong kakalimutan si God na laging nakaalala sa atin lahat. Also, God always provide your needs and your needs. Again, happiest birthday to my beloved mother. I love you and always take care of yourself.
Hello, Mama. Happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan palagi. I love you. Mwah.
Hi ma, happy birthday ma. Wish ko lang sa iyo ma na sana bigyan ka nila ng magandang pangatawan. Sana makakasama ka pa namin ng matagal. At sana makayanan mo yung mga problema na darating sa iyo. At bibigyan ka sana ng Lord ng maraming biyaya. Yun lang po ma. Happy birthday ulit.
Birthday, ma. Ano, marami pa birthday mong dating. Love you.
Sige nga.